Alright, so I was finally able to fix all the shader issues I was having when trying to get my game engine up and running on this Nvidia Shield Portable. This is one of my favorite Android devices to run my games on just because it feels like the complete package. It has a built-in controller, a nice screen, HDMI out, you can connect other controllers to it, just a really nice device. However, the hardware is very outdated, so that has its own set of challenges. So let me open up my engine, open up the 3D graphics test. So when it comes to some of the challenges I was having whenever getting my engine running on this, it was mostly with shaders. So for this device, it doesn't let you use for loops and shaders, and it doesn't let you index arrays with variables. So you kind of have to work around that, and it makes the code look very inefficient because you have to essentially hard code variable values in order to make it work instead of using like just variables. And it just looks terrible, it runs terrible, it's just a terrible time. So when it comes to like animated models, it's fine, sure, but anytime you have like lighting, for example, like lighting calculations, I have it running fine because I optimize it just a little bit, but whenever I have a lot of fragments on the screen, it becomes really apparent just how costly the fragment shader is. Because it also doesn't like, like conditional branching, so it's just a mess trying to get like good performance out of this thing. And don't even get me started on like shadows. Like sometimes the GPU will crash just when doing lighting, but I can go on the shadow test, you can see that it's kinda slow, very slow, unbearably slow. So I don't think I'm gonna be using shadows on my games on this device. I might just need to optimize it a little bit more, but yeah, we'll see. I mean, I don't know. This is a very difficult device to run games on. But Portal runs just fine, so I wonder what kind of optimizations are in that game for it to look nice and play nice. I have no idea. So yeah, I mean, it runs, the engine runs. I just got to figure out what I'm going to do about lighting and shadows in order to get the performance a little bit better. What kind of optimizations I can make there, yada yada. I guess we'll see. But yeah, that is pretty much it.